In this video, I will show you how to create an Uphold account. Now I'll leave a link to the page right here down in the description, which is Uphold's sign up page. So you can see right here, create an account, first enter an email address, then here enter your phone number, select your country, and then you need to accept their terms of service and privacy policy, and then just go and click on submit. That will take you to the following page, and from here you can then set a password and again enter your country of residence. Now it's not available everywhere, so you need to live in one of the countries where it is available. Then click create your Uphold account. Now after doing that, you will need to go and verify your email, so just open up your email. So you have an email that looks something like this, so just click verify my email. And that will redirect you to the what's your phone number page. So again, enter your phone number. And then they will send a verification code, so simply enter that code right here. And then after you've verified your phone number, you will have then successfully created your Uphold account. Now again, I'll leave a link to Uphold's sign up page down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.